To solve an equation that has fractions, one of the easiest methods is to clear all the denominators. So I like to do this one denominator at a time. You might like to do it all at once, whatever works for you, but I'm going to go ahead and clear one at a time. So I look at this 5 over x and I think to myself, I would just love it if there was no denominator. Well, I can get rid of it. To get rid of an x in the denominator, I should multiply by x. But you can't just multiply by x on one side unless you also do it on the other. So I have to multiply both sides by x. And on the left, my x's cancel, and I'm left with just a 5. And on the right, I'm going to distribute that x. X times 1 is x. And then I have 3 over x plus 2 times x, which is 3x over x plus 2. All right, so one denominator dealt with. Now I want to get rid of that x plus 2. So one way to get rid of an x plus 2 in the denominator is to multiply by it. So I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by x plus 2. And on the left, I'm going to get 5x plus 10 because I have to distribute that 5 to the x plus 2. So I have 5x plus 10. And then on the right, I have to distribute this x plus 2 to both terms in parentheses here. So I'm going to have to do x plus 2 times x, which is x squared plus 2x. And then x plus 2 times 3x over x plus 2. My x plus 2's cancel, and I just get 3x. All right, so now this is just a quadratic. I'm going to collect everything on one side and use the quadratic formula or factor. So I'm going to have x squared minus 10 equals 0. So I combined my 2x and my 5x, my 2x and my 3x, and those canceled with the 5x on the other side. So I just have x squared minus 10 equals 0, so x squared equals 10, which means that x is plus or minus the square root of 10.